All right, here's the accounting day 2 assignment. You will see 3 tabs after you make a copy and download off of Classroom. We have the solutions. This is what you're going to turn in. The transactions are the actual questions. I changed the letters to numbers because it was bothering me. And then we have the help definitions of, these are our terms, examples, and the questions that we need to ask. Okay, so here we go. Transaction 1A for you. The owner, Tiger Woods, deposited $50,000 in a bank account in the name of Tin Cup Country Club. Okay, so we asked, what did we gain? We're recording as the business, right? As the business. I need to change this. So what did we gain? We gained cash. Cash is $50,000. What did we lose? We did not lose anything. Accounts receivable is money that is owed to us. Nothing there. We didn't gain or lose any equipment. We didn't take on any debt, pay down any debt. Did the owner put any money into the business? Yes. How much? $50,000. No profit or money coming in from sales of products and services, and no cost of operating the business, which are expenses. Okay, and we'll make sure after each question, 50,000, 50,000, these two boxes need to remain equal. All right, what happens on one side of the equal sign needs to happen on the other side of the equal sign. Transaction 2, paid rent by check for the month, $1,500. Rent expense, very key that it's rent expense. What did we gain? Nothing. What did we lose? We lost cash, so negative $1,500. That should turn red. Nothing to do with debt. This is an expense, as it said, rent expense. So we're negative $1,500 for expenses. We'll come down to check, 48.5, 48.5. We are balanced. On to letter C. Sorry, number 3. Bought office equipment, including a computer and printer, $9,500. That's what we gained. We paid $6,700 cash. That's what we lost, with the balance due in 30 days on account, on accounts of credit transaction. So that means we borrowed the difference, $2,800. Gained $9,500 in equipment, lost $6,700 in cash, borrowed the difference. And our liabilities go up because our debt has increased. 48.5, 48.5. On to the 4th. Purchased 3 new mowers for a total of $10,000. Payment is due in 30 days. Again, you'll see this on account, same as the other one, on account, credit transaction. So we've not paid for this yet, right? No cash changed hands. What did we gain? We gained 3 mowers valued at $10,000, so that's $10,000 in equipment. What did we lose? We didn't lose anything. Did we take on any debt? Yes, we took on $10,000 worth of debt. Did we pay down any debt? No, we did not pay down any debt. Increase debt, increase equipment. That's it. We went to the store, put it on our credit card. We're going to have to pay that amount off. Here we go, number 5. Billed golf members $10,500 for services rendered. These fees have not been collected, so this is money that is owed to us. We did not receive any cash. Accounts receivable is money that is owed to us for services rendered, products that have already been sold. So our accounts receivable goes up. No equipment changed hands. Did we take on any debt, pay down any debt? No, we did not. Did the owner take money out or put money in? No, they did not. Did we sell any services or sell any inventory? Yes, we did. We performed or provided the service of the golf course, $10,500. Nothing for expenses, and we should be at 59.59. All right, here we go. Number 6. Feel free to pause the video at any time. I'd like you to make sure that you work ahead and then use this to check your answer. All right, number 6 is an expense. If you remember, we had an expense. I give you the cheat word right there, expense, for number 2. So number 6 is going to be just like number 2. Actually, number 7 is going to be just like number 6 and number 2 as well. Super easy. Rent expense, utility expense, salary expense, all the same. That's not right. That would be a big accounting error right there. 1450. Here we go. Then we had 810. Gosh, I'm all over the place today. Expense here, 810. All right, here we go. We're on to number 8 already. I don't know what letter that is with you. Received cash from the golf members previously billed on account, $2,500. So we received cash from the golf members that owed us money, $2,500. So this is talking to number 5 here. 8 and 5 are talking to each other. So previously, we have to go back and look at this. We already counted it as revenue, so we can't count it as revenue again. We're going to lose accounts receivable, and we are going to gain cash. So we gained cash in the amount of $2,500, and we're going to lose accounts receivable because not as much money is owed to us anymore. That's a tough one. You have to understand what accounts receivable is for that. All right, number 9, paid Bingham Company $900 to apply an account for the office equipment purchased in transaction C, or I should change this to 3 now. All right, so we're paying off some of that debt in number 3. So first thing we need to do is we need to go back and look at number 3, cash, equipment, and accounts payable. So we're paying down some of this debt right here. We're paying down $900. So what did we lose? We lost cash. Let's make sure that's negative. And we lost some debt. We paid down a little bit of debt. We're still balanced. We're at 56,740. Here we go with number 10. Paid $275 cash, marketing expense. These are so easy. We can do these in our sleep by now. Any of these expenses minus cash and minus expenses. Keyword, see that word expense on there. It makes it very, very easy. That's been like 4 of the problems on here. And then the last one, Tiger Woods withdrew $2,500 for personal use. This is opposite of number 1. Number 1, money is going in. Number 11, money is going out. Boom. 53,965, 53,965. These stay balanced after each transaction, and we are good to go. There it is. There's accounting day 2. I know this is tough. These are really good practices for the accounting that we're going to be doing. Even if you struggle with that, that's okay. We were using a lot of the new vocab that we learned about, a lot of the new definitions, and you have to be able to apply those and ask these 4 questions and understand what we are trying to record in the transaction. So if you struggled with it, that's okay. You're supposed to struggle with it a little bit, but it'll make it easier for next class, right? Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.